So I really want to point out the key features of your new Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500. So when you actually get the product, these are what you're going to get. I really like that they provide you with this solid travel case. Your toothbrush will fit nicely inside. It actually gives you room to put two different brush heads. So these just pop off and you would put this in your carrying case. And then the toothbrush itself fits inside. Looks really nice, and you can just throw that in a bag. Easy to do. This is the charging base, and this simply, you plug it in, and it simply stands here to charge. So you pop your brush heads on just like this. They do give you a removable cap. And then I really want to point out the different features. There are actually 4 brushing modes and 3 intensity levels. You can customize this for whatever level of clean you want to have. Take a look. This is a deep clean. You can go through all of the different levels. So there is everyday clean, whitening, gum care, and deep clean. It also has a built-in pressure sensor alert. So if you're brushing too hard, it's going to let you know, because that is not good for our gums. And if you really want some extra help, there is an app that you can connect that will give you coaching about your brushing, as well as some detailed progress reports. So if you're looking for a new toothbrush and you want to go with a great find, I would definitely check out the Philips Sonicare.